I'm back for day 2 of fishing with Mama B's Fishing at the Sebastian Inlet. We are hitting the south side jetty on the incoming tide. This is located in central Florida's east coast. It is a man-made cut that connects the Atlantic Ocean with the Indian River. Each year during the fall, mullet migrate, snook run through and feed on them, and the fishing is on fire. Hope you guys enjoy the video. If you do, hit that like button and please think about subscribing. Just got some bait. This is Matt's favorite bait shot, right?
One of them.
One of them.
Yeah. You gotta tip good.
Yeah.
That way your bait's always good.
They let you know.
Yeah.
Today I'm starting off with shrimp. When I was here yesterday catching snook, we were using pinfish and it was working, but the guys that were using shrimp are slaying them. So we got shrimp in one, pinfish in another. Should be a good day. Come on. Matt, I'm on. Hit right at the rocks. I was gonna start reeling my. Can I scoot? Yeah, thank you. I lost him at the rocks. God dang it. It was a snook, I saw it.
Yep.
Alright, that's fishing. Gotta do it again. I'm on. Oh! You see that? God! He spit it. There he goes. There he goes. Get it. Oh, number 4. Swing and a miss. Ah. They're not playing nice today, you guys. They're hitting it and spitting it. Some beautiful hook sets though. We are gonna get them. Up. They're messing with them. In a day, and I learned that he gets dead serious as soon as he thinks the snook is by his bait. And then all you see him is bowed up. You got him. All right, Matt's gonna be happy after this. Get him up, get him up. Ah, it is a snook. It is a snook. Good job, Matt. How it's done, man.
Got the skunk out. Pull that one.
There you go. Matt's hooked up. Hooked up with a good one.
Oh, big boy.
Is it? Get it.
Oh my God.
Oh! Snapped you. He was a real big boy. Matt and I had fished this jetty the day before, and while we were out there, we heard rumors that one of the locals got sighted with a undersized snook. That guy did not agree with the citation. So Matt wanted to figure out what was actually going on. And once we saw the FWC officers, we knew that we'd get the right answer. It's his business to know what the laws are, and he just wanted to squelch any rumors.
So, were you here the other day?
I've been here quite a bit, but...
Past couple of days?
Yes, sir.
So, the guy caught a fish here the other day. Went to measure the fish. Like, I guess his tape was up here because he was down there or something. Okay. Measured the fish, and then the FWC guy was like, hey, I got a real, you know, stick that you can put it on.
Yep.
It was like 27 and a half, you know. So, he was like, hey, it's got to go back. So, the guy, you know, went back, dropped it in the water, fish swam off alive. The guy asked for his license and gave him a ticket.
Yep.
How come?
Because it's undersized.
Yeah, but he didn't keep it.
It's 28 inches because the FWC officer's the one that told him to return it.
So, like, even that he was walking up here to measure his fish.
Do you really want to know what happened? Because I was the officer.
Yeah, I don't know.
So,
I'm just asking.
Okay.
You know what I'm saying? I want to know. That way.
So,
because if we walk up and measure something, I want to make sure that.
And if that was the case,
yeah,
absolutely.
Oh, for sure.
If you
for
measure
sure.
in it and you release it,
yeah,
no problem.
Okay. So you let me hear your side.
Yeah. Okay.
Yeah.
So I actually watched him fish.
Okay.
I watched him catch it.
Perfect.
He returned all of his gear, everything into the truck. He was in the
Oh,
truck.
like he was
The fish
leaving.
was in the
Okay.
back.
Yep.
He was leaving.
Yep.
At this point, I approached him.
Yep.
Stopped him.
Perfect. No
Asked him if he caught
problem.
any fish.
Absolutely.
He said, "Yep, I got a snook. It's in the back."
Absolutely.
So I said, "Did you measure it?"
Yeah.
He said, "Yep."
Of course.
It's like, "How large is it?" He said, 28 inches. I'm like, "Perfect. We're gonna measure."
Yeah. Let me
because it's
see.
close.
Yep.
We'll use your measure to see if it's 28, and then if it's not, then we'll
What's up,
use
Matt?
mine. So at that point,
Yeah.
short on
No
his,
worries. Yeah. Of
it was
course.
short on
No,
mine.
I get it, bro.
So-
That's why I was like, man, that don't sound right, man.
Yeah,
Cause
he's not
Yeah.
questioning.
yeah,
you.
that didn't sound right to me. So I was like, man, let me ask him what happened. Cause,
He was apologizing.
like, we didn't know like the whole story, right? So I asked him like, hey, were you here the past couple of days? Because I wanted to hear the real story. You know what I'm saying? Because you're not going to just get a citation if you weren't doing what you weren't supposed to do.
Right.
So that's why I was asking him about it, and I was like, oh, now you get the whole story.
For a citation, it's like,
Yeah, no
it's like
doubt,
10
dude.
to 20
Bro,
to 1,
like,
so-
hey, you can even ask Matt, like, bro, I get it, man. Like,
All right, heading down to the tip. It's time to get real wet now. So what I'm using is an 8-foot dagger, because he has a Saragossa 5000 on it, and then 20-pound braid, 20-pound leader. I believe it's a 3/0 J hook, and I'm gonna put a tension on.
Julie.
Matt's yelling at me. He's bowed up right on the tip. First cast in, and he's getting them. Oh yeah, that's a snook. Oh, that's a big boy. That's a big fish. There, first cast
Yeah.
on pin.
Is that yours?
Yes, no.
Huh?
Is that your line he has? Was it yours? Hang on. It is. Yeah. I can't see it.
Thank you.
Come on.
Remember, you gotta let him eat it. There you go.
He's on, dude. Whoa!
Get him, Julie. Get him, Julie. Oh, yeah, let's go.
Am I flipping him?
Yeah, but be careful with that rod.
I'm about to flip this fish.
Hey, want me to flip it?
I got it.
Nice. Over the rail. Over the rail. Don't go any higher. Don't go any higher. There you go. Good job.
Oh, we got him. I'm on your line.
Oh, that's all right. Wow.
Oh,
Careful, watch that.
I know the gill plates. There we go.
Good.
We're all screwed up though.
That's all right.
There we go.
Thank you.
Uh-huh. No,
Like that?
it doesn't matter though. It's for
Sure,
Facebook.
honey. Oh, yeah. Okay.
All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, jeez.
No.
Calm down, dude.
Yeah, you got 8.
Huh?
Oh, I just got 8.
You did? Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Is it the right size?
No, it's too small.
Darn it.
28 to 32.
Yesterday out here.
Oh! God dang.
How can they bump it so hard and not have
Not take it. I don't understand it either. They're wild.
it? You're literally hitting it so hard.
Here he comes. They are chewing. That guy's too small to keep, but it's on there. It's not big though. Ah!
Catch and release.
Yeah, made it easy.
Fix your splitty.
Yeah.
Shrimp.
Yeah, shrimp.
Shoot. Let's go. Got up. On a shrimp.
Yeah, he did not slam it. He hit it light on that one.
Did he?
Yeah.
Sometimes they do with shrimp. They just barely smack
Yep, that's how he did it.
it. Barely smack it.
There we go, Matt. That's not a... Yeah, it is. Doubled up! Get it, Matt! Get it! There we go. Matt's on over there. There's my snook. Get him!
Oh! Oh! No! No! Come back! He looked close. Ugh. I don't know how I'm gonna flip him. Oh! Oh! Slide him through, cuz. Slide through, baby. That might be him. That might be 28.
And Matt might have a keeper. Holy cow, I think he might be oversized. I gotta go down there.
Double up, baby. Yep.
He's fat.
27 and a half.
He's a fat one though. Good job, man. Woo, beautiful.
Yeah.
Let's go, Matt.
We got him on, we got him on. We got him on. No, this way, buddy.
Nice one. Holy cow. That's a beautiful one.
Woo.
That one is gorgeous, Matt. He's so white.
That's good.
Number 6.
Yep. Yepper. Hey, Meta, stop recording.
Wow, he's beautiful.
Number 6. Shrimp.
So fun. So fun. There we go. Oh, that's a good one.
Get him.
I apologize, you guys, but unfortunately, I had not realized that my GoPro that hangs around my neck, the battery died. So, no fight, but that was the best one for me of the day. Let's see this bad boy that he walked all the way down for. You gotta show that off, man. Look at that. Good job. Heck yeah. He's got dinner. What was the length? Oh no, you don't have to show me, just tell me. Heck.
31.
Oh, beautiful job. That is dinner. Good job. You just tied that to your cart? Huh? Were you the guy that lost one yesterday?
Oh, no, ma'am. I caught mine. He lost his.
Oh, okay. So it was a friend.
That's what taught me to tie mine up.
Yeah, no kidding. So yesterday we were out and his buddy caught a keeper snook and laid it by the cart and it got washed out. These waves come all the way up. So look how smart he is. He's tying it. Took some line and tied it up. He's not losing his dinner. No way. Come on, Matt. Flip him on up. Number 9. You're gonna hit double digits. Another person that does YouTube just showed up. She's a good friend of mine, Linda, and she has Rojo, R-O-J-O Fishing. She's on everything. But you guys make sure you go check out her YouTube channel. I will link her info in my description box.
Thank you very much.
Oh, that's gonna be a good one. I gotta get out of his way. Oh, he's going the other way. Oh, get out of the rocks. I don't know what number fish we're at, but we're in double digits today. Woo! Flipping on the deck. Good job. We're well into double digits now. Well, I
can't record on my glasses.
Well, I got you. Well, I should say Matt's in double digits.
That's 11.
Oh man, I feel like this is a competition now between Junior and Mama B. They're both just slaying away. And Junior's so calm and quiet. And Mama B, Matt, he's loud, obnoxious, and super lovable. I'm telling the people watching that you're just cool as a cucumber no matter what you're catching.
Feisty little Snook.
I know, they're wild. Matt's saying he's on a big one. Oh, now he's saying it's decent. There he goes. Bring him on up.
Oh, almost.
Try again, try again. There you go. Nice work.
Got him.
You got them all, man.
Don't break my rod. Break my rod.
My hip caught it.
Turn. Come on. I'm such a orange shirt.
Stop catching all the fish.
Normally I'm handing them to clients, you know what I'm saying?
So you're getting lazy. You get some in your eye?
No. Look, you're right next to Linda.
I know. Oh, Matt's on again. This guy. He's in the honey hole, but man, that water is cold and it's coming right up to your face over there. And I'm just being a baby. Oh, that's a fat guy. Oh, Linda's getting attacked by Snook. What's going on? I know, it happened. She was trying, but he's reeling in too fast. Well, now maybe he'll let us catch, right, Linda? He's so proud of himself. As well he should be. Oh, he's bowed up. There you go. Nice. Nicely done. Oh, Linda! Oh, she's on.
Make sure he's hooked good. There you go.
Oh, this is her first one.
Come on, baby.
That looks like a nice one too. Get it, girl. Get it. Oh yeah. She's gonna get this one. Oh, she's got him. Come on. Do not fall, Linda. Do not fall. Ah! Dang it!
That's a keeper.
That was a good one. Hey, you fought that like a champ though.
Ah!
You made me so dang nervous climbing up there. What are you doing? Giving me a heart attack. Woo! Dang! I'm naming that the Snook baptism. Oh my goodness. A little chilly?
Yeah.
I bet.
Oh, that was good.
Oh, Matt!
Yeah, Matt.
Get it.
That's what they look like.
Oh my gosh. Come on. Matt's being mean to Linda, you guys. That is a nice one. He's gonna flip that. Boom. Lucky 13, Matt. Hey, but you can't be talking junk to Linda. She just got here. You gotta be nice. That's what fishermen do. We talk a lot of junk. But if you are ever in need, they're the first to stand up for you. Come on, professional. Nice one. Mrs. Linda has never caught a snook. I thought she did. And we just found out she never has caught one yet. So Mama Bee's Fishing is getting ready to put her on one. He's gonna hand off the rod as soon as it hits. You'll get another bite. She's coming. Linda's got a second chance. Oh, big one.
Hold the drag. Don't you hold that reel. You let him pull that drag if he wants. Crank down. There you go. Crank down. Don't lift that high. Crank down, Linda. There you go. You never want to go past two. You always want to stay down. That way you can lift. If you're up here, you can't lift. Crank down. Crank down.
There you go. Up, down. Up, down. You got it, you got it. Yep. Get it out of the rocks.
Look, let me flip it. Don't break my rod.
All right. Matt's gonna flip it. That's his favorite rod. Linda, you got it! Good teamwork, you guys. Heck yeah.
Let's go, Linda.
Get it.
Let's go, baby.
Good job, Mama Bee Fishing. He just puts random people on fish over here.
I'm just saying.
Thank you.
I'm just saying.
What's it at?
Almost.
27.
Ah!
Almost.
What the heck? I think I have a puffer fish.
Hey, Puff Daddy.
Catch of the day right here, Mr. Puffer Fish. Oh, she's gonna get it. She's gonna get it.
One more. That way you can flip it. There you go, down.
Linda! Yay! awesome.
Yes!
Guys, that's it. We're heading out. I had so much fun fishing with Matt with Mama B's Fishing for 2 days. I can't tell you, this was exciting. It was wild. The waves are crazy. I'm freezing, but every second was worth it. When you come to town and you want to catch snook or surf fishing, because you know he's also known as the Pompano Slayer, you look this guy up and he'll put you on fish and you'll have a good time. Until next time, y'all keep it real.